changing cam sensor for 2001 2002 Infinity i30 and i35. This is cam sensor. This is screwdriver, might be number 10. Okay, let me have the number 10. It's gonna be dark. Okay, number 10. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Number 10. Socket. Number 10 socket. Oh man. Can't see it. Okay, this number 10. Okay. Number 10 socket. Okay. All right. Now I got it. Okay, everything is so hard. Everything is so narrow over here. Okay. This cam is underneath the engine. It's kind of so hard. So difficult to take out. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Now I got the screwdriver. And then the sensor gonna be removed like this. Okay, remove like this. Okay. How are they gonna remove it? You press this to make it looser, and then you can pull like this. Ouch! Okay, now I got the cam sensor. Okay, like this. Let me take it out.